Hi, welcome back to another Temu product review. Today we are reviewing this wallet. So it's just a very thin, minimalistic wallet where you have 3 pockets right here. 1, 2, and 3. You have a transparent pocket. Sorry guys. Transparent pocket right here as well. Okay, so no, that's just the only pocket. You have that transparent pocket. And then, of course, you have your money pocket right up here. And there's actually 2 pockets for money. So that's pretty cool. And that's it. That's what it looks like. Here's the deal. I like to play a game. I want you to pause the video after you hear what I have to say. So I want you to take a guess how much you think we paid for it, how much you would pay for it, and submit your comment, and then I will let you know. Okay, so pause the video and leave a comment guessing. Stitching, it's not perfect. There's some imperfections, but overall, I mean, it's not bad for just a really thin basic wallet. Okay, hopefully you paused the video. Hopefully you locked in your comments because we're about to give away the price. We paid $1.79. Was that a good deal? Would you pay that? Or was that a fail? Be honest, be open, and thank you guys for watching.